People play, I learn. People cry for defeats, I learn vocabulary. People shout for goals, I learn English. Football is not only a game. Football is a classroom. The World Cup is my teacher. Every match gives me new words. Every emotion gives me new sentences. This is how I learn English through football. The stadium. It is Saturday evening. The stadium is full. Fans wear shirts. Fans wave flags. Fans sing songs. The referee blows the whistle. The game begins. The ball moves fast. The players run quickly. The crowd shouts loudly. You watch. You listen. You learn. You hear goal. You hear offside. You hear penalty. You hear corner kick. These are football words. These are English words. You write them in your notebook. One team scores, the other team cries. Fans feel sad. Fans feel angry. Fans feel disappointed. You listen to the emotions. You learn new words: defeat, loss, sadness, tears. Another team wins. Fans smile, fans dance, fans celebrate. You learn new words: victory, win, joy, happiness. Football gives you emotions. Emotions give you vocabulary. Listen and repeat these useful football vocabulary: goal, match, team, player, referee, stadium, fans, victory, defeat, trophy. You read them aloud. You repeat them slowly. You use them in sentences. The player scores a goal. The referee stops the match. The fans celebrate victory. The team feels defeat. The World Cup. The World Cup is big. Teams come from many countries. Fans travel from all over the world. People speak many languages, but football speaks one language. You listen to the commentary. You hear pass, shoot, save, score. You write them down. You practice them. Football is global. English is global. You connect them. Imagine a short conversation. A. Did you watch the match? B. Yes, my team won. A. How did you feel? B. I felt happy. We scored 2 goals. You practice this dialogue. You act it with a friend. You feel confident. Learning through victory and defeat. Victory teaches you words celebrate, champion, trophy. Defeat teaches you words lose, cry, disappointed. Both are lessons. Both are vocabulary. Both are English. You don't only watch football, you study football. You learn English through football. At night, you think about the match. You write, "Today I learned football words. I learned goal, penalty, corner, victory, defeat. I learned emotions: happy, sad, angry, proud. Football is my classroom. The World Cup is my teacher." You smile. You feel progress. You say, "People play, I learn. People cry, I learn. People celebrate, I learn." Today, you discovered how football and the World Cup give you vocabulary. Every match is a lesson. Every emotion is a word. Remember, football is not only a game, it is a way to learn English. Connecting football ideas will help you understand more deeply. Football is not only about goals. Football is about ideas. Pass, run, shoot, save, all are connected. When I connect football ideas, I understand more. When I connect football ideas, I learn English. It is Sunday afternoon. The stadium is loud. The referee blows the whistle. The match begins. The goalkeeper kicks the ball. The defender passes to the midfielder. The midfielder runs forward. The striker shoots. The ball goes wide. You connect the ideas goalkeeper, defender, midfielder, striker. You see the flow. You understand the meaning. You write, "Connecting football ideas helps me understand English sentences." Remember these football vocabularies in action: pass, shoot, save, goalkeeper, defender, midfielder, striker, teamwork, attack, defense. You read them aloud. You use them in sentences. The defender makes a pass. The striker shoots the ball. The goalkeeper makes a save. The team works together. The World Cup is full of connections. One team attacks. The other team defends. One player passes. Another player scores. You listen to the commentary. You hear, "Great teamwork, excellent defense, quick attack." You connect the ideas. You understand the story. Dialogue practice. Imagine a short conversation. Did you watch the match? Yes, the striker scored after a great pass. Who made the pass? The midfielder. It was teamwork. You practice this dialogue. You act it with a friend. You connect football ideas in English. Football teaches you teamwork words: together, support, help, win, lose. You use them in sentences. The team plays together. The defender supports the goalkeeper. The striker helps the team win. Sometimes the team loses, but they try again. At night, you think about the match. You write, "Today, I learned football ideas. I learned pass, shoot, save, teamwork, defense. I connected the ideas: pass, shoot, save, goal. Football is my classroom. The World Cup is my teacher." You smile. You feel progress. You say, "Football connects ideas. English connects ideas. I understand more when I connect them." Today, you discovered how football ideas connect: pass, shoot, save, teamwork. People cheer, I learn. People celebrate, I learn. People meet from different nations, I learn friendship. Football is not only a game. Football is a bridge. The World Cup connects people. The World Cup teaches me English and friendship. The match begins. The ball moves fast. The striker shoots. Goal! Fans shout. Fans smile. Fans celebrate. You hear words cheer, celebrate, proud, happy. You write them down. Later, another team loses. The goalkeeper misses. The defender cries. Fans feel sad. Fans feel disappointed. You write them down. Football gives emotions. Emotions give vocabulary. Vocabulary of emotions: cheer, celebrate, happy, proud, sad, cry, defeat, disappointed. You read them aloud. You use them in sentences. The fans cheer loudly. The team celebrates victory. The players feel proud. The fans cry after defeat. Friendship across nations. The World Cup is global. Teams come from many countries. Fans travel from many nations. People speak many languages, but football connects them. A fan from Brazil meets a fan from Japan. They smile. They talk. They share football words: goal, match, team. A fan from Senegal meets a fan from Norway. They laugh. They take photos. They share emotions: happy, proud, excited. Football creates friendship. Friendship creates peace. Friendship creates learning. A short conversation. Where are you from? I am from Argentina. I am from France. Did you watch the match? Yes, it was exciting. My team won. Congratulations, your team played well. You practice this dialogue. You act it with a friend. You feel the friendship. Football and language. Football teaches you words. Football teaches you sentences. Football teaches you emotions. Football teaches you friendship. You don't only watch football. You study football. You learn English through football. You connect with people through football. You think about the match. You write, "Today I learned football emotions. I learned cheer, celebrate, proud, sad, disappointed. I learned friendship words: meet, talk, share, smile. Football is my classroom. The World Cup is my teacher. Football creates friendship in different nations. Football connects languages." You smile. You feel progress. You say, "Football is friendship. Football is English. Football is life." Excellent work. You have completed Day 11 in English Life Story. Today, you discovered how football emotions and celebrations give you vocabulary. You also discovered how football creates friendship across nations and languages. Every match is a lesson. Every fan is a teacher. Remember, football is not only a game, it is a way to learn English and a way to connect with the world. Tomorrow, we continue with Day 12, where speaking and listening will join together to build fluency.